Alright, you're welcome to our today's tutorial. This is the design we'll actually be replicating. So in this tutorial, you learn how you can create your background, how you can make stunning birthday flyers and blend pictures. And for this particular one, we'll not just be using the PixelLab tool. Yes, we'll be using another app, PicsArt. So let's get straight ahead to business. Let's clear this. Just go to defaults. Clear this. So let's bring in the background image that we'll be using, the image for the background. So um so there's the background. Delete this. Let's bring in the this once more. So this is the design that we'll be replicating. So for this one, the first thing you need to do is let's bring in some color schemes I downloaded from Adobe Color. So you can get color scheme at Adobe Color. So this is the color scheme that we use to get this. And the first thing we do, let's go over to get that blurry shape. So this is what we do. You reduce the zero radius to 100%, then opacity reduce it to 100 to 0. Then you go over to radius, increase it. Then the stroke width is what you've been increasing now, because we want to get this blurred effects. You can see it, this effect that is blurred like this. That's what we want to get. And with that, click OK. So you increase the size. The reason why we downloaded this color scheme, so that we can get the color scheme directly from the design, from the image. So we'll go back to color. This is the two color, but let's pick it so that you see. Use the color picker, pick it, select that, then you copy it, then place it, copy it once more. Then the color for this, you still pick it from that color scheme, and there you have it. So let's keep this now. Then let's log this. Then let's bring in the image that I'll be using for this one. So this is the image that I'll be using. So I actually got this idea from a fellow creative. So this is it. We might need to reduce it, but don't crop it, because if you crop it this way and you do what you want to do, it will not be nice. So just leave it that way, the way it is. Leave it the way it is. So what you will do now is go over here, you click here, you click here, this cycle, you press and hold it. You press and hold it. Press, hold it, then take it over to the back. So now it will blend with the background. So all you need to do now is you bring this down, select them, then you take them down. We want the image to blend properly with the background, and we've done that. But looking at this, I think this yellow needs to come up a little bit, so that's everything. And that's that. We've been able to blend this. That's the first thing we need to do. Then we'll save the image. I'll be heading over, but I'm thinking we should still increase this. I want us to increase the size of our face, the image, something like this. Let's reduce it a little bit. Reduce it. There we have it. Then we can still select this and take them down a little bit. So we are done with this particular face. Let's save it. Only save as Ultra. Now we'll be going over to PicsArt to do some editing, because it's not every editing you can do on the PixelLab app. So if you want to do professional editing, there are other apps that will be helping you. So one of the apps that I'll be using now is the PicsArt app, and I've already worked on it, so I'll just The process is not difficult. Just if you've not downloaded the app, go over to, so I've already worked on it, but I will have to recreate it again. Go over to Google and download the PixArt app. So we are now in the PixArt app. What you need to do is, once you've logged in, you can see this plus icon here. I believe I'm not the only one seeing it. This plus icon here, this plus icon, that's what you click on. So you click on it to create, then you select. This is what we'll be doing all over again. Yeah, sometimes all this pop-up ad, you just wait for it to go out. That's why when I'm designing, I don't like my, okay, so we'll remove it. We just want to be, it's ad, they usually do that. Let's wait for the ad to be over, please. It's over, I think. Yes. So yeah, so this is our image. We've added it to the PixArt. Then the thing we want to add is there's a shadow effect. So we scroll down here and go over to where you see add photo. You can see it now, add photo. Add photo. This is what you click. So let's take this. Add photo. You click it. You go back to the gallery folder there, because I have it saved in my download folder. So whatever folder, I'll be sending the resources in the description. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you want me to make more of this kind of video. So this is what we'll be adding. I've selected it, then you click add. So there you have it. So the feature we'll be using for this particular tutorial is we'll go over to our blend. So there are different things you can add here: screen, multiply, darken, add, and so on and so forth. It has different effects, but for this tutorial I'll be using screen. We just want to give a kind of editing to the image, so it sort of comes to life, not just blank. So we've done that. Then you click over here, you click this place. So once you click there, you see the particular shadow. Click on it again, you see duplicate. So you duplicate it, it has been duplicated. So place this here. Let's see, I think here is okay. Then click, duplicate it, then place one at the top. Just make sure it blends well. You don't just want to be using it for using sake. Make sure it blends well. We want the image to be kind of lively. So click that. So if you are satisfied with what you've done, okay, I like the way this one goes. You just add layers and all that. Okay, no, this one is too much in the face. Just make sure that you're satisfied with what you're doing, so it doesn't distract the image. And yeah, and there we have it. So now you click on this, check. Then the last thing we'll be doing, we're adding one more effect just to make everything. Click on mask here. Then there's a dust effect. Go over to dust. You can see dust here. So yes, to add some texture to it. Once you've clicked it, we can't use it like this. It's somewhat too much. So you click on here to reduce the opacity, so that will be showing just a little bit. And we have something like this, whichever one works well for you. Then you click this. Okay, this is just the only thing we do here. Then you save it. I believe you can see the option to save. You can see the option to save here. So click. Then you can see save as JPEG. Save as JPEG. Save as JPEG. That's what we're doing. Save. So it has been saved. Now we'll go over to the Pixelab app to finish what we started. Let's put off our data set. Go over to Pixelab app. So now what we'll do is we won't be needing this background anymore. So you can just go straight ahead, and if you want to delete this or whatever, we will not be needing it again. So we'll just bring our go over to background, then we'll be importing what we just worked on, and this is what we just worked on. So this will now be our design background. Then we'll just bring in the text, happy birthday, happy birthday. I'll also be making the fonts I use for this design available in the description. Just make sure you like and subscribe if you are yet to. So give it a white color. So we'll be using a font I downloaded. This is the font Burgundia. It's looking very stylish. So you have it this way. Then you add, because there's something I want to do. So you want to have it this way. Centralize it. So that's it. All right. So you have it there. Then bring in another text. The name. Joy. KDK. Make the color white. So the fonts I use here, I'll also make it available for you. Is the Autograf font. So this is this. But we want to add shadow to it. So you can leave it at black, but I prefer green. So this is what we have here. No much paparazzi. The only thing is we'll be adding one more thing. Then our design will be okay. Add shape. Go over to shape. Circle. Reduce the opacity for this. Do whatever works best for you. So you have this way. Then you copy it. For this one, go over to edit back because we want the opacity. And you made the color green. Will it be okay? No, green. So we would reduce it and place it there. Then the only thing this birthday, copy it, write the month. That is let's say 29th September. Okay, so that is the challenge you have sometimes with some of all these fonts. The numbers will not show, but I will use another font for this. Let's just go over to the font. I have another serif font. So that's the big castle. Okay. So we'll be using this one. We'll align it to the center. Line spacing, we need to work on that. So reduce the size. Whose size is this? Size. We might need to increase this line spacing now. So that's just it. And yes, 30 minutes. So that is that. You save as image as usual, then save as project. So with that, we'll come to the end of the tutorial. This is just a very simple yet professional birthday flyer. I remain KingsleyNwankwo till I come your way again. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.